Hello guys, today we are going to look at how to buy an ad pack in my ads app. So before you can actually make money from this system, and also before you can advertise your own website, your own links, you have to deposit funds in your apps, in your account, and you can do this through a number of ways. See, you can deposit funds either by Bitcoin, Perfect Money, or Payee. These are the ways you can deposit money, and I use Perfect Money. It's something I love so much. I love it because of one, it has a lot of security features. I know Bitcoin equally has several security features, but I use Perfect Money. So without further ado, let's go on. So to buy an ad pack, first of all, you should have your link ready to your website link or your affiliate link. So you should have your website or affiliate link ready, and then you indicate the number of packs you want to buy. You can buy up to 10 packs, that's $10. So let's put in our link. So this is the link we want to advertise. So let me clear this. Good. Now let's purchase 5 ad packs. Now you can go ahead and click buy now. So, and that is it. It's as easy as that. So continue, and we are there. So let's view our ad pack. So we have 5 various links here, which we can edit them if we want, and for each of this we are buying 100 views. You see, so it's very cheap to advertise here. 100 views for $1. 100 views for $1. So let's do some mathematics here. It means I'm buying 500 views. Let's do some mathematics here. Sorry. So let's assume that you have for each 100 views you are going to have 5% converting. So 100 times 0.05, so you are going to get 5 people opting in, and that is good in my opinion. You see, so for me the best kind of type of products to advertise here, if you're an affiliate, the CPA product, particularly email opt-in. Those that are in the money making niche, if you are advertising them here, then you will make money. That is what I think, in my opinion. So for me, all my affiliate links I advertise here are all about those in the money making niche, and I'm making a headway. I'm getting results. So we can just multiply this by 5, and we can expect about 25 outcome, 25 opt-ins, and that is good. That is good to have, because it is a must. Somebody must view this, click on this ad to see what it is about. Somebody must click on it, and so that is it. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I urge you to do so, so that we can bring you so much value. You'll be among the first to be notified each time we upload new videos. I also urge you to like this channel, and if it brought so much value to you, don't forget to share it and come back later for more tutorials, more new stuff on this site. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your time.